Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. We're starting off today's video at Home Goods to do some shopping for the house, and then we're going to head back home and do a lot of decorating in the house and a little bit of cleaning. So I hope that you enjoy today's video. We are starting off in the pillow section here at Home Goods. They have got so many pillows to pick from, different sizes and styles and shapes. They're all pretty reasonably priced as well, especially the ones in the 2-pack. They also have lots of throw blankets as well. This seems to be the best time of year to shop at stores like Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Ross, because they have the most stock in their stores right now with everybody Christmas shopping and looking for gifts and everything. So after I walked through the pillow section, I headed over to the furniture section, and they do have some clearance spots throughout the store. In the furniture section, in the frames, you just have to look for the little area that has the red clearance tags. And it's always fun to go to the back wall behind the furniture and look through all of the different rugs that they have. Home Goods has got lots of unique wall hangings and wall art, plenty of picture frames to pick from. As you can see here, I really loved this blanket ladder that they have, and these aisles just have lots of different unique canvases and sayings. They've got nightstands, side tables, ottomans. I really liked this bench that they had here, the wood and the metal legs, and also this ottoman that was right beside of it. They did have a lot of different jute rugs there to pick from. I did grab one of those there for the house. They also have a lot of quilts, comforters, towels, sheets, just aisles of anything that you can think of for your home basically. And I was loving all of the office supplies that they have there. We're going to be setting up a separate office in the house, so I'll definitely be coming back here to get some things for that. They also had the cutest wicker little kids chairs, as you can see here, stacked up on this middle aisle. They were so cute. And then of course they've got a huge kitchen section, which they have just packed with stuff right now with everybody Christmas shopping. So yeah, it's a great time to go and check out Home Goods. After that, I went to a couple more stores, and now we're back home, and I'm going to do a little haul of everything that I got. I wanted to get a clock, so I got 3 different options just to see which one would look best on the wall, and then I'll return whatever I don't end up using. So the picture frames are from Target, the placemat is from Walmart, this cute little cake stand is from Home Goods, the rug is from Home Goods, I got a new comforter and quilt from Home Goods, this wooden bowl that I'm going to put fruit in, that was from Home Goods, and then I went into At Home and I got some more dishes for the kitchen. I got these small white bowls. I think these were only $1.99 a piece. I do have a collection of white dishes, so I got this big serving bowl to add to my collection. These cute little plants were from At Home, and I just thought they were the perfect little plants when you need to add greenery to a shelf. Candle stand was from Hobby Lobby, and then I got this boot tray for only $4.99 at Target. This is going to be perfect at the back door for all the boys to put their boots on. And then the little Christmas tree is from the dollar section at Target. So before I got started with the decorating, I took the sheets off of our bed and got those started in the washer so that they could be washing while I was decorating. I wanted to put the new comforter and quilt on the bed, and I wanted my sheets to be fresh to put those on top of. And I just started using that Ivory laundry soap, and I've been loving it, would highly recommend. So then I took the new comforter and the quilt to the bedroom, went ahead and put those on the bed before I washed them just to be sure that everything was going to fit and match. So then I headed out to the kitchen because that's where we're going to be starting the decorating, and I just quickly tidied up the kitchen, wiped off the countertop so that I could set all the home decor right here on the countertop to pick from. So the first thing I did was to pull everything off of the shelves, dust them, and then I started to decorate them with all of the new decor. I love how this turned out. Ever since we hung up these shelves, I tried decorating these shelves a couple different times and I just wasn't really happy with how it turned out. It just didn't feel like how I wanted them to be decorated yet, but after I did this to them, this is exactly what I was wanting it to look like. I just love how it turned out so much. I'll put the link for the video down below where we made these floating shelves, and the stain color that we used on these was Special Walnut. In a previous decorating video, I put these two pump bottles of soap here by the sink, one for hand soap and one for dish soap. The one for dish soap just wasn't working out to have it in a pump bottle. It's so much easier to just have it in the bottle that pours. Like I said earlier, this candle stand is from Hobby Lobby. It's really cute. It's got this wooden top and then these 3 metal legs. And my candle is from one of my favorite companies, Antique Candle Company. I'll put the link down below. All of their candles smell amazing. This apple cider one, I have it burning all day in my kitchen and it smells so good. And this wooden bowl worked perfectly to put here in the corner of the kitchen for all of the fruit. I did have those 2 cutting boards from Marshall's there, but for the last couple weeks I've just been thinking they are too big for the kitchen. If I want to put cutting boards along the kitchen countertop, they're going to have to be a little bit smaller, I think, so I might end up returning those. Now I'm going to get this tile floor swept and mopped so that I can put my new rug here and the boot tray. I ended up getting a new rug for this space. I did have that other one before from at home, but after we put the wood behind the washer, the rug just wouldn't fit there anymore because in order to make it fit before, I had to stick it underneath of the washer because it was too big. This one fits much better. It's got that really pretty yellow design on the one side, but I wanted to use the back side of it because I felt like that color went with the laundry room a little bit better. And that boot tray was perfect for all of the boys' boots. So at this point in the day, somebody stopped by the house to buy the table, bench, and chairs. I really did love this set, but it just wasn't big enough for the dining room, and we do have a new dining room set coming in the mail, but the shipping keeps getting delayed. I think at this point it says the latest it should be here is January the 2nd, so hopefully we'll be getting that here in a couple weeks. And then we went ahead and moved our dressers out of our bedroom into the empty space in the dining room until we decide what to do with them. We did decide to just get some smaller nightstands because these were just too big for the bedroom. Okay, so now I'm going to pick which of these 3 clocks I'm going to put on the wall. I got 3 different styles and 3 different sizes. You guys can let me know down in the comments which one you like best. I thought about putting it on the wall over here between the door and the window, but then we figured that this little wall over here underneath the beam was a better spot. It's more of a central spot in the main part of the house for you to be able to see the clock, and the little clock was our favorite one, and it seemed to fit here perfectly. This little clock that we picked is from Target. I'll put a link for it down below. And now I'm going to vacuum the dining room floor so that I can lay out the new rug that we got in the mail. I'm so excited to see this in here. We shouldn't have stored the dressers in the dining room until you guys got to see the rug in here, because these dressers will not be staying in here, and the cactus won't be staying either. I need to get that fixed, and then I also need to order a second set of curtains for the other window. But hopefully we'll be able to finish up this dining room in the month of January. Okay, so this beautiful jute rug is from Boutique Rugs, and this rug is going to match everything that I'm going to be doing here in the dining room. I've been planning to do a jute rug in here for a couple of months now, and I just love adding rugs to different spaces in my home because they really help to cozy up the room. Throw pillows and blankets are also those finishing touches that just help to cozy up your house and make it feel like a home. This dining room just never really felt that cozy, and it was just too open and airy in here. Laying this rug down just immediately made it feel cozier in here, and I can't wait to get all of the furniture and the chandelier hung in here. Now we're going to put the second rug that I got from Boutique Rugs here in the master bedroom. This one is an 8x10 size as well. This one is so thick and soft and feels so good on your bare feet when you wake up in the morning. It's the perfect rug for a bedroom. I love the design of this. I think it matches in here perfectly, and just like the dining room, this rug really helped to cozy up our bedroom as well. So I will put a link for each of these rugs down below and for Boutique Rugs, and they also did give me a discount code for you guys. You can get 60% off with the code HAPPY60, and there's also free shipping included with that. So that is an awesome deal. Definitely go take advantage of that to get 60% off and free shipping. I'll have the links and that coupon code down below. So now we're gonna head out to the living room and get this cleaned up. It was kind of a disaster in here, so I just wanted to clean up all of the books and the puzzles and put the pillows back on the couch and just get this looking cozy in here again. It's not really working anymore to have this plant by the front door because the bottom leaves are growing straight out, and so every time you walk past you brush up against them, especially the kids. So I wanted to move this over by the sliding door where it can get a little bit more sunlight and have a little bit more room to grow. Give me some tips down below on how I can get these leaves to grow more straight up. The ones in the middle are growing straight up, but those ones on the side are just falling straight out. I don't know if I need to get a bigger pot or what would help with that. Give me some tips down below. So my sheets were done in the washer. I went ahead and got these put on our bed. And then I'm going to hang a second curtain panel on these left curtains. It wouldn't be a decorating video without me hanging some curtains in the master bedroom, right? It seems like every decorating video that I post, I'm always hanging up some extra curtain panels in here or something like that, but this will be the last time that I add another curtain panel. I did end up pushing these curtains over to the side of the windows. I know before I'd said I was going to do one on each side of the window, but after we had these big nightstands in here, I realized that it wasn't going to look right to put nightstands beside the bed unless you centered them under the windows, and then they were going to be too far away from the bed, and so it's going to work out better to just have these curtains extra thick and have them over to the side, and then the nightstands will be in that space in between the curtain and the bed. So unfortunately here I was trying to put the new comforter that I bought on the bed, and I had just got done washing it in the washer, and I did air dry this. It wasn't even in the dryer for that long, just for a couple of minutes, and then I put it out to air dry, but it shrunk. Like the corners of it were all bunched up and it had shrunk dramatically, so that was very disappointing. I just put my old duvet cover back on the bed, but the quilt did turn out fine, so I put that there at the foot of the bed. The last thing that I did was to redecorate the boys' nightstand. That Be Brave sign is from Hobby Lobby. The alarm clock and the placemat are both from Walmart. That's a jute placemat that I just used to set all their stuff on there in the middle of the dresser. And then the picture frame is from Target. And that is going to be it for today's decorating video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you're new. We would love to have you join the channel, and you can also head over and follow me on Instagram for daily updates, and I will see you in a couple days with a brand new video. Bye!